And now we will try to understand a example to find out the latitudes and departures of a traverse. Let us solve an example for this. The whole circle bearings of AB, BC, CD and DA are 140 degrees 11 minutes 40 seconds, 41 degrees 11 minutes 9 seconds, 312 degrees 42 minutes 33 seconds, and 233 degrees 41 minutes 33 seconds, and their lengths are 187.4 meters, 382.7 meters, 106.1 meters and 364.8 meters respectively. Determine the latitudes and departures of all the lines of the traverse. Now we have been given a particular condition in which the whole circle bearings of the four lines have been already found out. They have been given to us. The lengths of the respective lines have been given to us. Now the question which has been given to us is we are supposed to find out the latitudes and departures of all these four lines of the traverse. For simplicity, what we will do is we will draw a rough sketch of the traverse. Drawing a rough sketch of the traverse will make it easier for us to understand what is latitude, what is its magnitude, how we are deriving it, and the other things. So let us start with it. So solution, we have drawn a rough sketch. The WCBs, the whole circle bearings of AB, that's the north direction. So from here 140 degrees 11 minutes 40 seconds, I've drawn a rough sketch. I've got this line, then I have got the point B over here. At the point B, I've got the next angle, that is 41 degrees 11 minutes 09 seconds with respect to the north. So I've got that. I've got the point C. At the point C, I've got the next angle C as 312 degrees 42 minutes 33 seconds. So from here I have got that. So then I have drawn this, and at the point D I have got the angle as 233 degrees 41 minutes 33 seconds. So I directly join it over here. Please remember, this is a rough sketch of the traverse, not the final sketch. So now what we have been told is we have to find the latitudes and departures of all the lines, that is the line AB, BC, CD and DA. So we will be taking each of these lines individually and we will try to solve for the latitude and departures of the lines of the traverse. First line we take is line AB, the line AB over here. So now when I take line AB, calculate the latitude as latitude AB is equal to length AB into cos theta. The formula we have already seen earlier. Latitude AB is equal to length AB into cos theta. Now length of the line AB is already known to us. Theta is already known to us. Please note departure. The formula is departure of AB is equal to length AB into sine theta. Departure of that line is equal to length into sine theta. For line AB, length AB has been given as 187.4 meters, and theta, this angle, has been given to us as 140 degrees 11 minutes 40 seconds. So now latitude calculation, the formula is LAB, latitude AB is equal to length AB into cos theta. Latitude AB is equal to length AB into cos theta. So latitude of AB is equal to length, that is 187.4, multiplied by cos of 140 degrees 11 minutes 40 seconds. So solving this, we get latitude of AB is minus 144 meters, 144.0 meters. Now look at this. That's my north-south line. The latitude of this line is downwards in south direction. That's why we get the sign as negative. The magnitude of this, the projection on this line, gives me the magnitude of the latitude. The projection of this line on the north-south line gives me the magnitude of latitude of AB, that is 144.0 meters. So that has been marked over here. From here to here is 144.0 meters. So latitude of AB is minus 144.0 meters. So latitude AB was length AB into cos theta. Cos is 140 degrees 11 minutes 40 seconds. Substituting over here, we get length AB as minus 144.0 meters. Why minus? Because it is in the south direction. Latitude in the south direction is negative. Coming to the departure calculation, departure is given by departure AB is equal to length AB into sine theta. Departure AB is equal to length AB into sine theta. So departure AB will be equal to length AB is 187.4 into sine of 140 degrees 11 minutes 40 seconds. So departure of AB is, when I calculate from here, I get it as 120.0 meters. Now for this line, departure is the projection on the horizontal axis. Now the projection on the horizontal axis has been shown over here, and that magnitude is 120 meters. Now note from here, this is on the right hand side, it is on the eastern side, so that's why the departure over here is positive. The departure of the line AB, since it is on the eastern side, it is positive. It is 120 meters, 120.0 meters. Please note latitude AB, please note latitude AB, which is 144.0 meters, can also be called as southing. Southing of AB is minus 144.0 meters, or you can say southing of AB is 144.0 meters. Because it is southing, we understand that it is downwards, it is negative. Okay, southing of AB is 144 meters. Then easting of AB is 120 meters. Easting, because it is on the east side, departure is east side, so it is 120 meters. Either latitude is minus 144.0 meters or southing is 144 meters. And over here we can say departure is 120 meters or easting is 120 meters. One and the same thing. So that's how we are showing it over here. Let us go to the next line, the line BC. Step 2. Calculate latitude as length BC, latitude BC is equal to length BC into cos theta, and departure as departure BC is equal to length BC into sin theta. For line BC, for this line BC, length BC is given as 382.7 meters and theta 41 degrees 11 minutes 09 seconds. Now latitude calculations. Latitude BC is equal to LBC into cos theta. So latitude BC is equal to LBC into cos theta. So latitude BC will be equal to the length, that is 382.7 meters, multiplied by cos of 41 degrees 11 minutes 09 seconds. When we solve this, we get latitude BC is equal to 288.01 meters. Please note over here, at this particular point, this line BC is this way, so the latitude is in the northern direction, so it is positive. The magnitude of the reflection on this line, latitude BC is equal to 288.01 meters. Please note this can be termed upon as northing also, because it is in the northern direction. Northing is 288.01 meters. Now departure calculation. Departure BC is equal to length BC into sin theta. So departure BC is equal to length BC into sin theta. Departure BC is equal to 382.7 into sine of 41 degrees 11 minutes 09 seconds. Calculating it further, we get departure BC is equal to 252.01 meters. Now departure is the projection on the horizontal axis. So the magnitude of this line reflected over here, okay, projected over here, gives me the magnitude of departure BC as 252.01 meters. Since it is in the eastern direction, this can be called upon as easting also. So for the line BC, we have northing and we have easting also. The northing is 288.01 meters and the easting is 252.01 meters. And that's the way we have drawn graphically so as to understand it. Let's go to the next line CD. When we go to the next line CD, latitude CD is equal to length of CD into cos theta. Departure CD is equal to length of CD into sin theta. Now for line CD, what has been given to us is the length of the line CD is given as 106.1 meters and the theta, this value of theta has been given as 312 degrees 42 minutes 33 seconds. Now for the latitude calculation, latitude CD is equal to length CD into cos theta. That's what has been given. Latitude CD is equal to length CD into cos theta. So latitude CD will be equal to the length 106.1 multiplied by cos of this angle 312 degrees 42 minutes 33 seconds. So length of CD calculated comes to equal to 71.97 meters. So latitude CD comes to 71.97 meters. Now latitude CD has been shown over here. Latitude is its projection on the vertical axis. So latitude CD is equal to 71.97 meters. Please note, since it is in the north direction, this latitude CD can also be termed upon as northing. This can be termed upon as northing. So northing of CD is 71.97 meters. Departure calculation. Departure CD is equal to length CD into sin theta. Departure CD is equal to length CD into sin theta. Departure CD is equal to length is 106.1 multiplied by sine of 312 degrees 42 minutes 33 seconds. Solving it further, we get departure CD is equal to minus 77.96 meters. Look at this over here. When I look at this departure is coming on the left hand side. So it is on the west side. Since it is on the west side, it is negative. Since it is appearing on the western side, it is negative. So the vesting of CD, is equal to 77.96. Please note, it has been shown over here on the left hand side. So from here on the left hand side, 76.96. Since it is on the left hand side, the value is shown as negative. The value appears as negative. Now let us continue to solve for the line DA. Calculate latitude as latitude DA is equal to length DA into cos theta, and departure DA is equal to length DA into sin theta. Length of DA, there is a small mistake over here, length of DA is 364.8 meters and theta is 233 degrees 41 minutes 33 seconds. So latitude calculation, latitude DA is equal to length DA into cos theta. So latitude DA is equal to 364.8 into cos of 233 degrees 41 minutes 33 seconds. So latitude DA is minus 216.00 meters. Please observe over here, when we see this, that's the line. Its projection on the vertical comes in the south direction. That's why it is negative. So latitude of DA is minus 216.00 meters. Now for the line DA, we can say southing of line DA is 216.00 meters. Coming to the departure DA is equal to length DA into sin theta. So departure DA is equal to, the length is 364.8 into sine of the angle 233 degrees 41 minutes 33 seconds. So departure DA is equal to, now when I solve this, we get it as minus 293.97 meters. Why minus? Look at this line again. When I look at this line again, with respect to this, it is on the west side. Since it is on the west side, the departure is negative. So it is negative 293.97 meters, or the projection of this line gives me the magnitude, which is 293.97. It is also labeled as, or it is also known as, vesting of the line DA. Vesting of the line DA is 293.97 meters. So that's how we have calculated all the latitudes and departures. Let us tabulate them now. So once we tabulate, we will be coming to know the actual scenario. That's the way it is. For line AB, we have latitude as southing 144.0. For line AB, my latitude is southing, my departure is easting 120.0. For line BC, over here, I have latitude as northing, since it is plus. I have departure as easting, since it is plus. Magnitude is known. For the line CD, I have my latitude as northing, northing 71.97, and my departure is westing, that is 76.96 magnitude. For the line DA, that's the last line, I have latitude as negative, that means it is southing, which is going downwards, that is here 216.00 meters, and I have my departure as westing, that is 293.97 meters. So this is the way we calculate all the latitudes and departures for a traverse. Thank you.